Welcome back everyone, we are at week 2. Today the slab is going down. I've got my concrete rod behind me. We're just finishing up the final touches. We've got the concrete truck here and we're ready to go. So let's go and have a look at what we've done so far. Rob, talk to me. How's your day been so far? What have we done?
No, it's good. We got out here 7 a.m. in the morning. Plastic entrenchments the job. We've then started with the pods. Once the pods were done, one of my boys jumped off and did the top boards, and one of the other boys helped me with pods. We barred it in between the ribs, laid mesh down, certifies this left. He's given us the all clear,
So
okay?
all good from the certified.
Yeah, weather's on our side today. Let's keep our fingers crossed and hope it stays that way. And yeah, getting ready to pour. The pump's just finished setting up. Concrete's on its way. Should be a dream, hopefully.
Now, Rob, I heard a little bit of rain is actually good for the concrete. It helps cure it.
Well, with the curing, the curing way, it is a bit of an upside for us. So I guess it is a good thing in a way. So it should be all good.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
All right, Rob, I'm not going to take up too much of your time.
Nice.
I'll let you finish up here.
All good.
And I'm looking forward to the final product.
Thanks a lot. Appreciate it, mate.
All right,
Take
thanks,
care.
mate.
See you later.